In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Google Sheets to everyone. To get started, open the spreadsheet you want to share in Google Sheets. Make sure you are in the correct file before changing any sharing settings. Especially if you work with multiple spreadsheets, this helps avoid accidentally sharing the wrong document. Once your sheet is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Share button. This will open the sharing window where you can control who has access to the file and what they're allowed to do with it. Inside that sharing window, find the General Access section. By default, this is often set to Restricted, which means only specific people you've added can open the sheet. Click the drop-down menu in that section and change it to anyone with the link. This setting makes the spreadsheet accessible to anyone who has the link, without needing you to manually add each person one by one. Next, choose the permission level you want to give. Right beside the link access option, you'll see another drop-down menu. This is where you decide what people can do after opening the file. If you select Viewer, people will only be able to see the data. This is the safest option if you just want to share information without allowing any changes. If you choose Commenter, people can view the spreadsheet and leave comments. This is useful if you want feedback while still protecting the original data from direct edits. If you select Editor, people will be able to fully modify the sheet, including adding, changing, or deleting data. Use this option carefully, since anyone with a link will have full editing access. After you've selected the right permission level, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable URL so you can send it wherever you need. Then click Done to close the sharing window and save your settings. Now all that's left is to share the link. Paste it into the platform you want to use, such as email, Slack, Teams, or a messaging app. Anyone who receives that link will be able to access the Google Sheet based on the permission level you selected. Before sending it out, it's always a good idea to quickly double-check the access setting and permission level so you can be sure you are sharing the sheet exactly the way you intend. Thanks for watching.